Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. And it is December 19th. We are getting closer and closer to completing this Elvis Presley Advent calendar, and I want to thank everyone for following me along on this. If you're new here and this is your first time, welcome and thanks for tuning in. And if you wouldn't mind clicking that subscribe button down below, I'd really appreciate it. And for all my current subscribers, thank you so much for all of your support, folks. I really appreciate all of you. Alright, without further ado, let's get in and see what Box 19 has to offer for us. Where is Box 19? Box 19 is right here. Alright, let's crack this open. Okay, we have some cards. Oh, these are like, okay, these are like fact cards. So like, okay, they're in English and in German. So the bottom is English. So it says Elvis's life is inexplicably linked to Graceland. His main residence from 1957 until his passing in 1977. Approximately 600,000 fans visit the estate every year. The over 17,500 square foot mansion is the second most visited home in the United States. Only the White House in Washington, D.C. attracts more people. Piece by piece, the entire area has been transformed from Elvis's beloved home to a museum and entertainment complex. And there's a picture of Graceland there. So I think I'm going to save the rest of these and I'll read these in the next upcoming episodes, because I think there's going to be not a lot to do anymore, and it'll give me a little more content to share with you guys. So yeah, this is a cool picture of Elvis in his military uniform in front of Graceland. That's really cool. Alright, so let's close our box and put it back here. Oops, gotta turn it around. And there's our picture coming to life. Alright, let's see what the book has to say. Okay, so here the book's talking about Elvis's Mercedes years. And this is during his comeback, like the late 67 into the 70s. And he purchased many Mercedes, not for just him, but for confidence and other people in the industry that he knew. So interesting fact there. Over here it just says, with the 4 knowledge cards from Box 19, you will learn more interesting details from the eventful life of Elvis. So to speak, ideal party knowledge for the next rock and roll night. Okay, so that's cool. Alright, so yeah, I will share more of these cards and the facts on them for the next episode. So that'll kind of wrap up today's episode. And I really appreciate you guys following along with this. It's been kind of fun. And until tomorrow, I hope you all are having a great day and be safe out there and go build something.